Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we have an exciting product to unbox and review: the NICGIGA 6-port 2.5G PoE Switch. This powerful networking solution promises blazing fast speeds and versatile connectivity options. Let's dive in and see what this switch has to offer. As we open the box, we're greeted with a sleek and sturdy metal casing, reflecting the switch's durability and build quality. Inside, we find the switch itself, neatly packaged and accompanied by a DC power supply. The minimalist design exudes professionalism and sophistication, making it a perfect addition to any network setup. The NICGIGA 6-port PoE Switch boasts several key features that set it apart from the competition. With 4x2.5 gigabits PoE ports and 2x10 GSFP uplinks, this switch delivers lightning-fast data transfer rates, perfect for bandwidth-intensive applications like 4K video streaming and online gaming. Each port can provide up to 30 W of power, with a total PoE budget of 78 W. This feature eliminates the need for additional power adapters, simplifying cable management and reducing clutter. The switch is unmanaged and requires no software installation or configuration. Simply plug in your devices and start enjoying high-speed connectivity right away. The automatic detection of PD devices ensures seamless integration with a wide range of compatible devices. Built to last, the switch features a durable metal case with 6 kV lightning protection, ensuring reliable performance even in harsh environments. The fanless design ensures silent operation, making it suitable for noise-sensitive areas. Customers have praised the NICGIGA 6-port PoE Switch for its exceptional performance and reliability. With support for 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet and 10 GSFP uplinks, users have experienced blazing fast speeds for their connected devices. Whether you're streaming 4K content or transferring large files, this switch delivers consistent performance without any dropouts or interruptions. In conclusion, the NICGIGA 6-port 2.5G PoE Switch is a versatile networking solution that combines high-speed connectivity, PoE support, and robust design in a compact and affordable package. Whether you're a home user looking to upgrade your network or a business owner in need of reliable networking infrastructure, this switch has you covered. With its plug-and-play functionality and exceptional performance, it's a must-have for anyone seeking fast and reliable connectivity. That's all for today's unboxing and review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.